In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Microsoft Copilot to summarize any piece of content in seconds for free, right in your browser. If you've ever faced a long article, a wall of notes, or a report you just don't have time to read, this is the trick that hands you the key points in plain language. Step 1. Open Copilot. You land on the home screen with the box that says Message Copilot, and the cursor is already waiting there, so you can type straight away. Step 2. Here's the golden rule for summarizing. You give Copilot two things: a clear instruction to summarize and then the text you want summarized. The simplest way is to start with the words summarize this, then paste your content right after it. You can also tell it how you want the summary, for example in 3 bullet points or in one short paragraph. Let me show you with a real example. I'll type summarize this in 3 simple points followed by a passage of text. Watch me do it now. Step 3. Send it by pressing the Enter key. No button needed. And watch Copilot work. In just a few seconds, it reads the whole passage and hands you back the core message, stripped down to the points that actually matter. What might have taken you 10 minutes to read and digest is condensed instantly. Look at how it pulls out only the essential ideas and drops everything else. That's the real power here. It doesn't just shorten the text, it understands it and keeps what's important, and you can shape it further. If the summary is still too long, just say make it shorter. If you want it simpler, say explain it like I'm a beginner. If you need the main action items, ask what are the key takeaways. Each follow-up refines the result without you starting over. This works on almost anything. Articles, emails, meeting notes, study material, even a contract you need the gist of. Paste it in, ask for a summary, and read the version that respects your time. So remember the flow. Type summarize this, paste your content, press enter, then refine if you need to. Try it on the next long thing you have to read, and watch how much time you get back. Happy summarizing.